Hi, I'm Mark Armstrong from Toronto, Ontario. Well, I've looked at U.S. real estate now for, I guess, the last 3-4 years. I've done other investigations, seminars, and looked at the opportunity, which I think is bottoming now. I think the market is a good time to be active and take a position in the market and be able to get some good investment properties. As I said before, I have been involved in other events, other seminars, other courses. I've never really experienced in that vast sort of past experience of these other courses the sort of the comprehensive nature of getting right down and to the facts, plus the currency. In other words, you're dealing with someone who is and a group that is active in the market. Many of these other people seem to be teaching from the old rule book. This is active, this is an active organization that is really involved currently in these various markets in the U.S., brings hands-on information that is really valuable to someone trying to make investments in this market. Well, I think it's the variety of the markets that are available, the fact that you're given knowledge of how to investigate various markets, because many times there's just a focus, as I say, these other courses and so forth focus on one primary area without real much of a criteria or a reason why you should do that. Here you get the backdrop, the background of saying, okay, here are some of the things we look for, or this is what you should be investigating as part of your investment profiling of a market. And that's really valuable stuff to be able to be active in the most current opportunities as opposed to past experiences, which may no longer be as opportunistic as they are now today.